Italian,
Please
so you
speak.
have a fixation with
Please
this,
address the
not
chair.
me.
Address the chair. Please. Please. Nothing will go on record except Dr. Swami's speech. Please
Yeah.
address the chair.
Your fixation is with the West.
Please.
Your leader is Italian.
Please.
There is a school very famous school in London by name St. James School. It's a pure white school in the sense only people who are from the English Anglo-Saxon community are members of, students there. I went to London to check up what I'd heard, that in that school, children between the ages of 6 to 11 every morning are made to recite for half an hour Sanskrit shlokas. And I saw it myself. Then I checked with Google. Do they have that? Google also has, if you type Sanskrit and St. James School, London, you will get the entire thing, including a video of children reciting Sanskrit words. Why? Why are they teaching it? Because the principal says that my research shows that if between the ages of 6 to 11, children recite Sanskrit shlokas of a particular kind, their brain development is superior to anybody else's. That is why I have made it compulsory. And this is something that congressmen should learn. Please learn some Sanskrit shlokas. Your brain will improve. Google is for you, not for me. I'm an eyewitness.
Where is the chair?
I'm an eyewitness. Google is for idiots like you. Now, the question being raised frequently is between Tamil and Sanskrit. Well, it doesn't matter. I went to an Italian school.
Please, Dr. Swami will address to the chair. Only Dr. Swami. Nothing will go on record. Mr. Gowda, please. Dr. Swami.
Because
nothing will go on record, Mr. Gowda. You are not permitted to speak. Nothing will go on record. You please speak.
Your leader is Italian.
Please,
Your leader is Italian,
please
so you
speak.
have a fixation with
Please
this,
address the
not
chair.
me.
Address the chair. Please. Nothing will go on record except Dr. Swami's speech. Please address the chair.
Your fixation is with the West.
Please.
Your leader is Italian.
Please address the chair.
Now, Mr. Deputy Chairman, the question of Sanskrit and Tamil has been raised here. Now, if you see the dictionary of Tamil to any other language and compare it with Sanskrit, you will find 40% of the words between Tamil and Sanskrit are common. Now, I am not passing a comment on where it came from, whether Sanskrit took it from Tamil or the other. Now, Mr. Vaiko should not speak. His original name was Vai Gopal Swami, which is a Sanskrit word.
Please.
Now he is...
Please.
In Tamil, the word for election symbol. In Tamil, the word for election symbol is chinnam. And what is in Sanskrit? Chin. And what is the DMK's symbol called in Tamil? Udayan Suryan. Uday, Surya. They have copied it from Sanskrit. So, therefore, Karunanidhi's name is Sanskrit. Ramaswamy Nayaka, his name is from Sanskrit. They can't get names from anywhere else. And Vaiko is, Vai Gopal Swami is now hiding behind Vaiko. So I'll
Please.
So first of all,
Please.
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 Subramanya.
डॉक्टर
So
स्वामी
purely
प्लीज
Sanskrit
एड्रेस द
name.
चेयर प्लीज कोई और बात रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जाएगी डॉक्टर स्वामी यू एड्रेस द चेयर
Swami
you
is also
have only
Sanskrit
3
name.
minutes now please conclude
Now,
please conclude
now you see, the two great, very well-known judges of the Supreme Court, one was Justice A.K. Ganguly, and the other was Markandeya Katu. They have a judgment in 2004, which is reported judgment, where they have devoted several pages to say that it is a great misfortune for this country that the logic used in courts is based on English law. And then they quoted from Mimamsa, how you can get different meanings from the same thing because of the knowledge of Sanskrit. So they advocate that even in the courts of India in the future date, the language of arguments should be based on Sanskrit. So this is something which I am not saying, the judges of the Supreme Court are saying. So therefore, I would say, now
nothing will go on record please you conclude now your time will be over
so most of them are illiterates, what can I do?
please continue Mr. Rangarajan, nothing will go on record. Please conclude now. Please.
So therefore, in conclusion, I request our minister that now that a central university has been created, let him ensure that every Kendriya Vidyalaya has an option to learn Sanskrit, whether it is in Tamil Nadu or is in Kashmir. And yes, an option only. And there's also a very easy way to learn Sanskrit, and that is from Samskrita Bharati, which can teach you to speak a few sentences of Sanskrit in just 10 days. So these agencies should also be incorporated and seen that the spread of Sanskrit is as quickly as possible, and that in all our languages we use a maximum number of Sanskrit words, because that will unite the country. Devanagari is not Hindi, as many people who are not well-read are saying. Devanagari script
Please conclude now, Mr.
is used by Hindi, it is used by Marathi, it is used by Nepali, and I think if all milestones in our country have
Thanks, Dr. Swami
Devanagari
now.
script,
Please conclude.
it will be very easy for people to travel from north to south. Therefore, now onwards, let us develop the Sanskrit language with full vigor, without any hesitation.
Thank you.